We are at Fort Mountain, Georgia State Park. Beautiful. What's up with your hair?
I'm deploying my social distancing.
You want my hat? Hi guys.
Hi kids. Hi mom, dad, grandma.
Coming at you from Vogel State Park.
It's pretty here. Super close to us. So we're getting out and enjoying the weather. It's beautiful.
Yeah, we came here to walk the Appalachian Trail up to called Blood Mountain, but when we started walking in, got into the past the trail, and happened to something caught my eye. I turned around, looked, and there's a notice on the wall as you on the board as you walk in, 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. It says notice. Anyway, long story short,
I was past that.
oh yeah, mom was done gone. But again, if you're not looking for something, you'll never see it.
They closed because the CDC
Guidelines.
suggested. I don't know. There must be handrails or something up there, so people are touching them. Or you're within that 10 feet range if you're passing somebody, maybe.
Right.
I don't know.
So
I don't know why we're sitting here and not walking, but we are.
well, we're sitting here because they asked us not to be on the trail,
right.
so that's what we didn't do.
I'm glad you were there because I would not have caught it.
So
Yeah.
anyway, we found it. No, oh yeah, there's lots of people going up on the trail, but we're not going to do that.
Yeah.
So we found a nice little spot by the creek. Bruno is enjoying himself. Hopefully you can see him.
He's still gonna vomit.
But
It's springtime here,
yeah,
and everything's blooming, and it is raining pollen. Literally raining pollen.
yeah, this morning the pollen count was over 5,000.
6,800.
Oh, is that what it was? Yesterday was 5,000. I'm sorry, 6,800 a day.
Yeah.
So everything is green, and when I mean green, I mean pollen green, not necessarily leaves turning green.
Yeah. Cars are covered. Jan was covered. We dusted, wiped everything off, and just detailed her.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's beautiful out. Sun's out, and I'm watching your dad clean.
Freak. You're a freak. Yeah,
Really
washed
good.
the truck up really nice Thursday, and now Saturday it's completely covered with green pollen again. So
Yep.
never-ending battle, all good.
Yep. So we drove to Fort Mountain yesterday, and on the drive, another state park, Fort Mountain State Park, and on the drive, I'm still going to be pulled in. Oh,
What happened?
leather strap.
Come here, Blue.
Come here. Come here. Good boy. Yeah. Say hi.
Lay down. Lay down.
Down.
Lay down. Down. Oh,
Perfect.
good
That's
boy.
perfect.
Good boy.
So we drove to Fort Mountain yesterday, and on the way, we saw another sign. There is this anomaly in Georgia of pharmacy and gun stores. There are several. And the billboard yesterday said,
Refills and reloads. Guns and drugs. Only in the pagan state of shooting stuff. Gotta love it. But anyway, that was a part of our yesterday.
it was
Thanks,
awesome. We drove
Lay down,
to
buddy. Lay down.
Fort Mountain, which is just west of here, in between us and Chattanooga. And we drove through LJ, west, went to Fort Mountain. Fort Mountain, I guess, was set for forest rangers, or that was the thinking of this park. It's beautiful. There's rocks everywhere, like just random rocks. You could definitely see people, Indians living there, these Cherokee, because you can overlook the overlook that we went to overlooks Chatsworth, which is in between the mountain and Chattanooga, and it's all flat.
Yeah, and that was all of Chief Van House's property, which was kind of cool because we went there a couple weeks ago and seen his property and looked through his house, as we've shown you. But to be up on top of that mountain and looking down on it and see exactly how big or how much property he owned was pretty impressive.
Yeah. Yeah, so that was built for a forest ranger-y, I guess. I don't know,
Right.
whatever the word is.
Yeah. Yeah, the Silver Patrol built a fire watch up on top of this thing. We got a picture that we'll show you. And that's where they sat for years. It was built in the late 20s, early 30s, and they did fire watches from up there. So that was kind of cool to see that. But the rock formations walking up to it, as Mom was saying earlier, were really, really cool. You're walking along and these rocks just jet up out of the ground. And actually the tree that we're sitting behind, the same kind of thing, part of the root wad is actually cantilevered up by a rock. The video that we've got the camera's holding up on right now, thanks, Bruno.
Thanks, Bruno.
Lay down. Is sitting on another rock formation that just jets up out of the ground, which again, pretty cool. So
it's pretty, but Fort Mountain is just spectacular. The view up there, I would say that's one of my favorite parks so far. Super, super view.
Yeah, it was really cool.
And it was even hazy.
Very hazy.
Yeah.
And it was 81 degrees when we were up there yesterday. Beautiful day. Yeah, great drive. Get out. Again, practicing our social distancing.
Yeah. Speaking of, I deployed my social distancing hair again today. Pretty sure it's working. Although you're still bunny.
Right, that's true. True.
And then we were going to get ice cream on the way home, but it was closed. So here's my thinking. This business is essential. They're only allowing essential businesses to stay open. Why isn't the ice cream store open? This is essential. Just saying, the body count's going to rise.
All because of the ice cream.
If they don't start opening some ice cream stores. But we'll get ice cream this week.
We'll find it somewhere.
We'll find some. Don't you worry. And what else did we do? Did you get your taxes done? Did you get your taxes done? Make sure you get your taxes done. Because Missouri did not have a... Get over here.
Yeah, as of earlier in the week, I checked. Lay down, but earlier in the week, and even though the feds have given us till July the 15th to get taxes in, we still in Missouri needed to have them done by the 15th of April. So I know you guys work on them, but hopefully you got them all taken care of and sent in.
Do your taxes.
Did you lose your strap too?
Yeah. Go on. Go on. Go on. Good boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And Dad's going to show y'all how to make crack slaw on his grill.
Yeah, that was a request from Al, so we'll show you how to do that. All right, just checking our heat. We got about 413, 420 there. Got about 448 there. We're good to go. So put a little oil on her, get that all going. Get it all nice and warmed up. All right, got all of our stuff sitting here. We got two different kinds of pork. We got regular ground pork, and we got pork sausage, mild. Got our garlic, onion. Got some sesame seeds. Got some soy sauce. Got some little rice vinegar. Some teriyaki. Now, some people they talk about using hoisin sauce. I've never used it, but they said that's pretty good as well. Got our slaw back there. And then we got all of our veggies, which we got some greens, some orange, and some red pepper, some onion, ginger as well there. So, throwing our sausage on there.
Dang it.
That's what it was.
That's it?
What's that?
That's all the oil you're going to put on there?
For that, yeah. It's already seasoned. Don't need it much. Don't need it much. Our slaw's going down.
Did you wash your hands?
I did. Twice.
What song did you sing?
Hmm?
What song did you sing?
I got a song.
You didn't wash it long enough then.
No. On there. Again, we've got an awful lot because we are doing a double batch. Probably would have made sense to make up two different parts, but
That's only one of each though, right? One of each pepper and one onion.
yeah, but that's a lot. Typically for 1 pound, what they call basically half of each.
Or half of 3 peppers and an onion.
Okay. Something we'll throw just a little bit of oil on top of the veggies. Just a little bit of salt, pepper mix. Let them sweat just a bit.
This is done.
Oh, it smells so good.
Is it done yet?
That smells good.
It smells wonderful.
And that ain't got no juices on it or nothing yet. That's just the
It's just veggie.
That's just the veggies. That boy's about there.
It's done. Let's eat.
It's nearly done. It's nearly done.
It's done yet?
We are about ready to start combining.
About dang time.
All right.
Anorexia is setting in over here.
Start sitting it all together. This is where all the goodness comes together, right here.
All the goodness. I can't see. I can't see. Smoke. The smoke.
So the low sodium soy in there, the soy sauce. Oh, smell that. Get that cooking. This is definitely one of them dishes that tastes just as good the second or third time as it does the first, I think. So that's why we're making a big batch of it, because we got some leftovers. All right, got a garlic. About 2 cloves of garlic we're going to use. Again, you want to wait and put that in last. Or one of the last things you put in. If you don't, you don't, it will burn, and then it's nasty. Just take all your goodness you just made and pitch it away, because it'll be gross once that garlic burns. Put a little rice vinegar. That just gives it a little bit of a pop. Don't take a whole lot of that. Oh, smell that. Vinegar. Rice vinegar.
Done yet?
Close. And then we're going to take a little bit of ginger. Take like 1 thumb of ginger, microplane that on there. Not a lot, because ginger to me is kind of like Mr. Clean. That's what it smells like to me. So it doesn't take a whole lot. Alright. Put a little teriyaki sauce on there. Like I said, some folks use called hoisin sauce. We've never tried it. I've actually looked for it in the store a couple of times, and I cannot find it anywhere. So we just use the teriyaki sauce. Give a little bit of a sweet taste to it. And I think it definitely needs the teriyaki. You agree? Just kind of finishes it off. All right, and last thing we throw on it in here, just some green onions chopped. And that's just kind of a little bit of a garnish. And actually the last thing we'll put on it is some sesame seeds. And that truly is just a garnish when you're done. You don't have to do that. There's one of the things that I kind of like to do. Makes it look finished to me. And the last thing we want to do, take some sesame seeds, just kind of garnish over the top. Just gives it that finished look as far as I'm concerned. All right, that'd be it. And that's Crack Slaw.
You crack slow, no, I don't care. You crack slow, no, I don't care. Good. I love when you cook.
That's Crack Slaw. Love you.
It's good. I love that stuff. He's having fun now. Except for this log going up mine. Yes, Virginia. There is a tree.